Information about Calycanthus fertilis. Calycanthus fertilis, also known as the California sweet shrub, is a flowering plant species native to California, United States. Here are some key facts about this species. Description: Calycanthus fertilis is a deciduous shrub that typically grows up to 10 feet, 3 meters, tall and wide. It has oval-shaped leaves that are about 3 to 6 inches, 7 to 15 centimeters, long and dark green in color. The flowers are fragrant and reddish-brown in color, with numerous petals arranged in a cup-like shape. Habitat: this species is found in coastal and inland scrub, chaparral, and woodland habitats in California, typically at elevations between 100 and 5,000 feet, 30 to 1,525 meters. Growing conditions: Calycanthus fertilis prefers well-drained soils and partial shade to full sun exposure. It is drought-tolerant once established but benefits from occasional watering during dry periods. It can be propagated through seed or by taking cuttings. Uses: the fragrant flowers of Calycanthus fertilis are often used in perfumes and potpourris. The leaves and bark of the plant have been used for medicinal purposes by Native American tribes, including as a treatment for headaches and other ailments. The plant is also sometimes used in landscaping as a specimen shrub or for erosion control. Conservation status: Calycanthus fertilis is not currently listed as a threatened or endangered species. However, like many plant species in California, it faces threats from habitat loss, invasive species, and climate change. It is important to preserve the natural habitats where this plant grows to ensure its long-term survival.